And first at 6, a Maine man convicted of killing a child more than 25 years ago is once again seeking a new trial.
Dennis Dechaine is serving a life sentence for the abduction and murder of 12-year-old Sarah Cherry, who was babysitting when she was killed. It's a case that has gripped Maine for years.
As CBS 13's Brad Rogers reports, a number of DNA experts are now testifying in this two-day hearing.
As Dennis Dechaine entered the courtroom, he stopped and smiled at his brother and other family members. Sarah Cherry's parents and sister were also in the courtroom. Dechaine's attorney told the court that DNA from blood under the victim's fingernails is not from Dechaine, but from an unknown assailant who he argues is the real murderer.
The murderer's blood is under the victim's fingernails, and the murderer's DNA is on the murder weapon, which is the scarf. The DNA under the fingernails is not Dennis Dechaine, it's the murderer's.
However, Dechaine's DNA was found on the murder weapon, his own scarf used to strangle the victim. Prosecutors say Dechaine's DNA was also found on a stick used to assault the child. Prosecutor Don McCumber told the court this latest hearing is nothing more than a defense spin on the evidence, and reminded the court it was Dechaine who was found near the crime scene, led authorities to the body, and confessed to the murder. Dechaine claims the scarf and other items from his truck found at the crime scene were taken by the real killer and used to implicate him. A defense witness and DNA analyst also testified DNA from an unknown male is the only DNA found on both the scarf and under the victim's thumbnail.
In the past, the thumbnail of the victim has always been touted as being from contamination. This indicates it's not from contamination. We still don't know whose DNA it is, but we know it's not Dennis Dechaine.
He didn't do it. They arrested him on circumstantial evidence.
There absolutely should not be a new trial. We are hoping that this hearing will put to rest finally the case of Dennis Dechaine and give the Cherry family some peace.
DNA testing was in its infancy in the 1980s, and there's no argument that all the samples taken in this case are degraded. Dechaine claims he never confessed to the killing and maintains his innocence. In Rockland, Brad Rogers, CBS 13 News.